Hello everyone. So we were discussing class 10 social science history part chapter 1. It was partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. We had already discussed the first 3 key points and we had found what partition of Bengal was the division of the vast Bengal province, and it was occurred during the reign of Lord Curzon in 1905, and in the protest against this partition, Swadeshi movement was occurred. The main aim of the Swadeshi movement was to boycott the foreign goods and to use the Indian goods. Okay, so now we'll be discussing the another key point, the consequences of Swadeshi movement. So today we'll be discussing the key point, consequences of the Swadeshi movement. So there are so many consequences of the Swadeshi movement, but today we'll be discussing only 3 consequences of the Swadeshi movement. I hope you will be attentive in the whole discussion. And let's go for the discussion. There were so many consequences of the Swadeshi movement. Number 1 is national literature. Actually, what happened? As a result of the Swadeshi movement, many magazines, newspapers, books, dramas, songs and articles were published. Some of them are The Bengali. It was edited by Surendranath Banerjee. And another one is Sanjeevani. It was edited by Krishna Kumar Mitra. And another one is Hitabadi. It was edited by Kali Prasanna, Kaibya Visharad and Yogendranath Vidyabhushan. And another one is Yugantar. It was edited by Bhupendra Datta. The Sandhya by Brahma Bandhav Upadhyaya. The Dawn, etc. Besides them, so many plays were also written on the basis of Swadeshi movement. Some of them were Palashir Prayachitta by Khirot Prasad, Siraj Uddola and Mir Qasim by Girish Ghosh, Sabbas Bengali by Amrit Lal Bose, etc. And at the same time, the famous Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore composed 23 numbers of patriotic songs. And his famous song Amar Sonar Bangla Ami Tomake Bhalobashi won the status of national anthem of independent Bangladesh. So the second consequence of Swadeshi movement was national education. So it was observed that Swadeshi movement had a great influence on the students' community. So the Chief Secretary of Bengal, R.W. Carlyle, circulated a notice warning all the students not to take part in the movement. And therefore, under the leadership of Rabindranath Tagore, there was a vast student rally, and on that rally, an anti-circular society was formed. So it was the anti-circular society. And the leaders were Bipin Chandra Pal, Rabindranath Tagore, Abdul Rasul, etc. And what happened? Satish Chandra Mukherjee, who was the editor of the Dawn, he named the University of Calcutta as the House of Slaves, and he called upon the students' community to leave that House of Slaves and to accept national education. And Satish Chandra Mukherjee also started a national institution named Dawn Society. So Dawn Society was started by Satish Chandra Mukherjee. Okay, and Dawn Society was engaged in the work of spreading patriotic feeling among the students. So the Dawn Society started movement for uprising the national education. As a result, Rabindranath Tagore established Banga Jatiya Vidyalaya on the day of 6th August 1905, and he established the second Jatiya Vidyalaya on 8 November 1905. Okay, and the National Education Council was also established on 11th March 1906 under the leadership of Ras Bihari Bose, and it was established at the Town Hall, Calcutta. And the Bengal National College was established on 15th August 1906, and the first principal of Bengal National College was Aurobindo Ghosh. And 62 secondary schools and 3,000 primary schools were established during Swadeshi movement. It was a great thing indeed happened in India. And Bengal Technical Institute was also established with the financial help from reputed barrister Taraknath Palit. So, these all are about national education. So, dear students, we had already discussed 3 consequences of the Swadeshi movement. We had found about national literature. So, during the period of Swadeshi movement, so many articles, magazines, books were published. All were based on Swadeshi movement and national education. So many institutions, national institutions were established, and Jatiya Vidyalayas were also established, and 62 secondary schools and 3,000 primary schools were established during the period. And another consequence was role of women in Swadeshi movement. So there were so many female leaders in Swadeshi movement, and some of them are Sarala Devi Chaudhurini and Sister Nivedita. They had their contribution towards the movement. So dear students, I hope you have understood what I have taught. So I want to request you to study at your home, and it is the time to leave you. Thank you.